This video will show you how to replace the air inlet tube on a Mitsubishi Lancer. This will be located along the top driver's side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your air inlet tube in between the air filter housing and your throttle body. Prior to dislodging it from either of those areas, we're going to focus along this center area. We can see a breather hose leading over towards our valve cover. We're going to dislodge this from our air inlet hose. Now for this, we don't have to dislodge the hose necessarily. We're going to focus on this plastic piece which leads into the air inlet tube. As far as that's concerned, typically you can take hold of it, give it a wiggle, and pull it up and out of place. Now once you have it off of there, of course, a quick inspection. That looks good, so I'm going to set it aside. We'll move along to our 10mm headed clamp, holding it in place to the air filter housing next. We're going to loosen the clamp just enough that we can slide this out of place. We will be reusing these clamps on our brand new air inlet tube. We'll take hold of this, slide it out of place. Now we're going to follow this all the way down to its next mounting point. This is down attached to the throttle body. As we start removing it from here, you need to make sure no miscellaneous debris falls into the throttle body. Now this clamp is buried deep down in this area. Plenty of movement from that clamp. We'll take hold of it and slide it away from that throttle body. There it is, friend. Now, as I mentioned, we will be reusing these clamps, so for those, you should be able to slide them right out of place. Once you have them off of there, you need to give them a thorough inspection. Make sure they're not rotted, weak, or damaged in any way. If they are, replace them with brand new clamps. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect all mounting areas. We'll clean the air filter housing first. Quick inspection, it's not damaged. We'll make our way down to the throttle body next. Now, as far as cleaning this throttle body, we need to make sure there's no miscellaneous debris inside of this area. But an important note is you never want to push on that butterfly valve in there. That can cause a calibration issue and a runnability problem. We'll just give it a quick wipe with a clean rag, applying no pressure to that valve. And now, of course, along the outer edge here. Now, of course, we're also going to make sure that we clean this area. I'm just using my clean rag once again, especially on the inboard side there, just confirming there's no miscellaneous debris. It's not damaged in any way. That looks good. Now, looking at the air inlet tube, we know that we have the breather area up towards the top. This area is the lower portion. It has the flexible area. We'll take this clamp and slide it right on there. We're not going to tighten it yet. Just have it in place. Continue on up along the top. Same thing here. Make sure you have the clamp in place. You can see that there's a small groove along this area. We want to have the clamp along either side of that. There we go. Now we can get this in place. I like to start down at the throttle body first. We're going to press it on as far as possible and tighten that 10mm headed clamp, confirming that it's properly secured. You don't want to have any dirty or unmetered air making its way into the engine. Just double check it. Okay, so I've got that pressed on there. We're going to make sure it's nice and tight. Typically for the installation, I like to use hand tools. I want to know exactly how tight I'm making this. We're just going to take it till it feels like it's bottomed out. And then just a tiny bit further, we'll take hold of that and give it a quick wiggle here. That does not fall out of place. We're making our way up to the air filter housing now. Same process here, press it on there until it's completely bottomed out. We'll adjust our clamp so we can gain access and tighten it, of course. Okay, right there, tiny bit further. That does not move around. Now let's get this in here. Just gonna line it up, we'll press it in. Typically it's going to be a tight fit. That's exactly what we want. This should not slide out of place. Line it up, press it on there. Now that we have everything back together, just one last confirmation that everything's secured as it needs to be. After this, you can go ahead and close the hood, start up your vehicle, make sure you have no check engine light, no running condition, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.